Dr. Franz here with another Common Sense Minute. Today I want to talk about our newest special that we're going to run certainly through September and perhaps longer, depending on how well you guys like it. This is our home wellness kit, and it is superb. We have now new bags. This is actually going to be a go bag, so you put all the wellness stuff in it that you need. You have it in one place when you need it. The special we're running is going to include the homeopathic kit with 20 remedies. It's going to include a professional open air tea, air tea, and stomach tea, and then one 4-ounce bottle of Revive, one 4-ounce bottle of Schmooze. The Aroma Buddies you can add separate, but the special includes this and the bag. There's a $78 savings, a discount of 25%. It is $300 for the whole kit, the whole wellness kit. This was born out of my going on vacation, and I didn't have all the things I needed, which I found quite amusing. Now I'm going to have a go bag, and we are really hoping that you'll find this as exciting as we do. Also, when you have a homeopathic kit, we know what's in it. So if you call or email and have questions, many times we go, oh, take this, because we already know what's in your kit. We hope that your back to school is going well, and what we want is really to promote this now, because once school's back in, we start seeing kids get sick, and now you're going to be fully prepared to be able to handle things at home. And don't forget your Aroma Buddy, full of herbs and rice. You heat it up, and it's a nice kind of moist heat, not too moist, not too dry. Works wonders, and it actually works wonders with Revive whenever you have any pain. So have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.